Hi guys, this is Nenad speaking, and this is our free Elite Currency live educational webinar. And I see a lot of new people here, and of course, I will first present myself and will explain who I am, what we do basically, and what is our mission. So, for all of you who are first time here, I'm full-time trader. My name is Nenad, and I'm also known as Tarantula. I'm also a senior technical analyst and lecturer at Unreal Markets Group, but Chris and I actually run our own project. It's called Elite Currency, and our mission is to provide complete trading knowledge and trading power to all traders around the world, no matter if you are a new trader, if you are an expert trader. Our mission is to empower your trading. This is my LinkedIn profile, and you can check it here. Of course, not all the information has been updated, but most of the information is very current. And basically, it is the easy way to see who I am and what I do. Now, guys, also I am also the winner. Both Chris and I won into the best sell-side analysis on forex3.com. Forex3.com is one of the strongest websites for forex trading in the world. I might say maybe top 3 websites for forex, including of course Forex Factory. That is also a huge website where I actually started. So our analysis has been recognized in 2017 and 2018. You can check our videos there also. And basically, if you click here on forex3.com, you will see actually our profiles. And this is the profile that I'm running on Forex3. You can see here Forex Best Awards for 2018 and Forex Best Awards for 2017. So as you can see, we are providing a full analysis out there. Also, do not forget that I started also on a Forex Factory website before I was moved to commercial member status, because all people that are involved into commercial job, they're moved to commercial members here. My thread Spiders then had approximately 4 million views, and this was one of the, I mean, it still is. It's not that active, but definitely this has been recognized as one of the strongest threads on Forex Factory. And 4 million views before I actually was moved to commercial section. Also, guys, for everything that we do, we have proofs, we have live stats. Everything is shown here. My FX book accounts, everything, we will talk about it. But before I actually delve into our current systems, current possibilities, I will also tell you that you should, for everything that you want to know, guys, just go click our website. It's very easily accessible. Go to elitecurrency.com, and you will see a lot of good stuff there. And you can find everything that you should actually start with for professional and successful journey to trading. It's very important that you actually believe us. I know it's for some of you, of course, who don't know who we are. You might also say, okay, Nenad, you talk like every other person there, but I'm not, and we are not other persons. We are literally faces. So you can always come and ask a question. You can always see what we do. So we are not just some, John Does who actually have established website and we offer education and analysis. It's not the thing. For everything that we do, we have proofs. Okay, we are not like send me a system and then I send you PDF and there are no results. It's not clear, nothing, and no one understands actually what a system is about. And I mean, just tell me how many people are there on the internet who will sell you signals, give you trading ideas, systems, and they will not show my FX book account. I mean, are those people traders or just salespeople who want to take the money out of your pocket? And I know that because when I started, I was also a newbie trader, and I was very, very, very green, as I say. And I was also sucked into that, let's say, PDF system boom that we're selling for $97, and I thought that every new system is actually good and that we can make money with. And my let's say first year of demo trading was like, let's try to search for a holy grail. There is no, guys, holy grail in systems. Our systems are, in our opinion, the best. And I don't need to basically I don't need to elaborate more on that, because that is what we trade. So there are also on the internet probably excellent systems, very good systems. But okay, let them show you their MyFX book stats. Why not? If they trade their systems, let them show you the stats. Not just MyFX book. Let them show you live calls that they made with their live trading groups. So I'm not actually talking against everyone, but I'm really fed up with all those people who are bragging on the internet that they are the best, but they actually offer no value and they don't have any proof for what they do. So everything is clear here. You don't need to worry about anything. When you join Elite Currency, when you come here trading with us, you will see live action. One of our trademarks there, guys, is running a Telegram channel. Telegram channel is, Telegram is a platform that we actually use for sending trading signals, that we use also for communication with traders, and that we also do for sending all the data that is related to you as a trader. So Telegram channel works excellent, and we like how actually our Telegram channel works so far. We haven't had any problems with it, and I hope that it will actually stay that way. It's a great channel to communicate with traders. Also, guys, here you will see a lot of sections. We will go one by one. We will actually show sections. Also, Chris will also show you on his webinar. I will focus on Camarilla Magdi and other things. So what is also, guys, important, everything that we do is recorded, like our webinars. Every webinar is recorded, and you can always check it, of course, in live members area. You need to register, guys, for on our website to receive a start package and everything that you do with us. First, before anything you do, you need to actually register. This is the page for you to register, and when you fill up the register form, we will know that you actually are with us. We will know your info, and that is the first step towards becoming a full-fledged Elite Currency member. Okay. Also, guys, I will delve a little bit deeper into my methods, Camarilla MACD, MTF, and Light. Those are that is the system that I trade, my own method, and it consists of different modules. Also, guys, it's very important that you can always check who we are, what we do. Here you can see on Forex Peace Army, we have very good reviews. Here you can see at this point, let me check. I think there is like 26 reviews here so far, but we actually started this Elite Currency Live project. Well, it's like we are running it not for a full year, so we still have a lot of things to show, a lot of things to actually work with, and it has just started. So on Forex Peace Army, you can always check our reviews, and this is, guys, how you can assess this Forex Peace Army. This website is one of the most famous websites for catching bad brokers, for catching fraud companies, and of course for everything that is related to Forex trading. So you can always check it there. Also, it's crucial, guys, that if you trade with someone, with some people, you have live FX book stats. It's not like we are updating it all the time, and you just need my FX book account. You need to click it, and you can always see the stats. Of course, different traders use different portfolios, and I'm a trader that I trade live on different accounts. This is my live account here, guys. You can see it's, well, for some people it can be big. For other people it can be actually smaller. For me, 100K is nice amount of money that you can trade a bit safely with. Of course, you should not let yourself running into a spiral of doom. And we also teach that. But it's not just big accounts. We also, guys, trade with low accounts. And with low accounts, I personally refer to small accounts like 200 euros. And this is also one of the proofs, guys, that you can actually, that you can make money with also smaller accounts. And this is the account that is 200 euros when I started. Now it's 400 euros, so it's almost a double account. So as I say, everyone has their different risks. Everyone has different risk portfolios. I closed some of the accounts here on my FX book just because those stats were not good. I actually had a gain here, and my gain was much bigger, but unfortunately, due to some bug with my FX book, it doesn't show me good stats. That is why I closed this, and I actually transferred the money here to this account. It's also low to high build up project, and that is it. Now the stats are okay, and I have noticed that the biggest problem with these stats, guys, is that if you make a trade with, let's say, DEX or some equity or index, this pip count and gain and absolute gain are totally they are not good. They are not accurate. They are very they have bad accuracy with DEX, with SP 500. So mostly I will keep this for Forex trading. I will not trade anything else than Forex trading on accounts that are connected to my FX book. So basically that is what I will, of course, show from time to time, and you can also check the stats. Of course, it's not like we are just giving this my FX book, because that is how we trade. Maybe we trade with bigger risk, maybe we trade with lower risk. It's different. Everything that we do here, guys, is basically we keep the stats. That is maybe more important for you than giving raw data from my FX book. Because, you know, guys, my FX book is, it's like how I trade. Maybe other people will actually, maybe other people will make better result than me. Maybe other people will make even much more money than I do. But it's about the risk. The holy grail in Forex, guys, it's the risk. So that is why we keep stats. Also separate stats for our Telegram signals, and everything that we do can be checked here. We are not making up for this data. We are not making up for like writing random numbers. Everything that we write on Telegram channel can be actually and can be easily assessed here on this spreadsheet, and every result is shown here. So basically, it's just about how you risk. You can make these 90 pips in a single trade with 0.5 lots, and easily lose everything with a 5 lot trade with only, well, let's say 10-15 pips of a loss. So it's all about the risk, guys. You need to remember that the holy grail in trading is risk management. Okay, if you make 100 pips, easily you can kill all those 100 pips with one bad trade of only 10 pips, because you use bigger risk. So how much risk you will use, how much risk you want to afford, it's up to you, guys. It's not up to us. It's how you want to deal with it, how you actually want to deal with the risk. It's up to you. But the results are shown here, easily accessible. Now, my preferred method is actually Elite Currency Camarilla MACD or Camarilla MACD method. It consists of different modules. One of the modules is, of course, this light module. There are also other modules such as the MTF, guys. This is the quick view of the MTF model. And have in mind that I'm already working on an indicator that will be much easier to assess, not just this dashboard, but the indicator will show you major trend, minor trend, and of course, clear entries that are much easier also for novice traders. And that will be the MTF, Camarilla MACD MTF version 2. So every upgrade for all Camarilla MACD traders who bought Camarilla MACD full or MTF module will be for free. Okay, Guitaras, regarding the video, we are actually running a software. It's not up to us. Basically, it's the video that we use. It should be better. I can zoom in, so actually you can see the video a little bit with a better picture. When I zoom in, you see it's easily readable now. It's not like the quality is great, but it's not up to us. I think they will actually put this video on HD. So you can check here everything on this template. Everything is there for successful trading. So you can go with the multiple time frame trading model. You can go with scalping module. You can go with, of course, with this Camarilla MACD MTF live, MACD, sorry, light. So everything is pretty much clear, and everything is digested pretty much quickly, because our mission is also to give you the easy trading methods. This indicator, for example, has been coded with MACD in itself, RSI, a couple of moving averages, and it's basically the core of the light method. Here, this is Camarilla MACD dashboard, Elite Currency MACD indicator, and of course, it will be a revamped Camarilla MACD MTF version 2. The big thing is, when you buy one module, you will always receive free updates for that module. If you buy whole Camarilla MACD course, you will always receive a whole course updates. So the thing is, Elite Currency, Camarilla MACD light updates, or MTF, or scalping, or counter trend, or everything will be, of course, free for all of you. Now, to assess all of these systems that we offer, you can, of course, receive a great discount. And but before we actually delve into that territory, I need to tell you that you can also register for receiving Elite Currency Live for free. Elite Currency Live includes Telegram signals, okay? And it also includes SWOT system free for 1 month. So basically, you can check it on our page. If you go to Elite Currency Live here, okay, on this web page, you can see what we offer for live members. So in order to assess this for free for 1 month, there are certain steps that you actually we should apply to you. So these are steps, guys. I will write right now in this Crowdcast channel. So basically, you need to open the account with one of our trusted brokers. You need to make a minimum deposit. Then send us an email confirming the action on the website that you actually made a minimum deposit. And make sure to open account with Elite Currency and choose, guys, the trusted broker. This is trusted broker page. Here we reviewed markets.com. We can see that their service is good. Any problem, guys, we can always help you if you actually open the markets.com account. And of course, if you apply for an account, you will, as soon as we confirm the deposit, you will receive intro email for ECS Live 1 month, and we will add all people who actually applied here to the Telegram channel. So those are easy steps. Now, we also support, as you know, Admiral markets. But because of one problem with Admiral markets, we cannot give existing traders existing Admiral markets traders access to Elite Currency Live. It is because of the policy with Admiral markets. You need to be a new member of Admiral markets actually in order to access Elite Currency Live free for 1 month. You can actually click some of these links here. You will see, and you can apply for an account. Whatever you do, guys, please send us confirmation email that you applied. It's very important. Because of this nature, I advise you personally to go to markets.com and open an account there now, because there is agreement you will receive Elite Currency Live free for 1 month, and you just need to make a minimum deposit. So go there, guys, click open an account, follow these steps that I wrote here on the channel, and send us confirmation email. Then when we check that everything is fine, we will add you to our Telegram channel. And guys, believe me, Telegram channel is always up to date. You will always see great things and great results. I will just give you a quick hint here on our Telegram channel info. You see there is a lot of things that we do. We everything that we do, we manage, guys, the trade for you. We manage the trade. We give you signals. This is our signals that we do. I always say, is it Camarilla MACD MTF? Is it a Camarilla MACD light setup? So if you have already purchased Camarilla MACD full, Camarilla MACD MTF, Camarilla MACD light, or maybe other modules, you will see here so you can compare it. So it's not just about giving Nenad, Chris, give me signals, I want to make money. It's about, if you trade our systems, you always learn what we teach. So you can compare our entries to your own entries and see why we actually made an entry there. See the logic of our trades. By doing that, guys, you ensure that you actually learn to trade properly. Okay. Alan is asking, do you have copy trade functions? Alan, no. Everything, if you want to copy our trades, you need to be current Elite Currency Live member, and you will copy our trades. Unfortunately, I trade with really big accounts, and at least this is how I see. I mean, 100K is not a small account, you know, and I cannot copy trade. It's not allowed for me to do it, and I wouldn't do it because I had problems with that in my career. For example, when I did a copier, I had a lag, and actually I made 20% on my account, and the other guy I made 12%. And when he asked me, Nenad, you did everything that you did also with my account because you used trade copier. I said yes, but the problem was different broker and a lag. There is always a lag. There is always different prices, guys. It's not good. So the best thing is to use our Telegram channel. It's not just about making money, because when you learn how we trade, when you use our signals, when you use our systems, you will also be able to make money yourself. Guys, we teach you how to fish. But ultimately, fishing is up to you. I'm using smaller risk. Maybe you will say, Nenad, if you are that good, why don't you use 10% of risk? Because, guys, I don't want to be sucked into a spiral of doom. Whenever your account drops more than 10%, 20%, guys, you will have psychological problems with restoring the account to its original state. You will go with more leverage, and more leverage on bad trades will give even worse results, and you will be sucked into a spiral of doom. For that reason, I'm not into account management. I give you guys trades. You trade with your own risk portfolio. It's easy. Sign up for Elite Currency Live. You want a free access, then it's easy. Open an account with markets.com, okay? And we will give you a free access. And if you still want to pay, no problem, guys. It's only 109 euros per month. And also, when you're Elite Currency Live member, you will have other benefits. It's not just it's not just Telegram signals. You will have other benefits like you can access live and recorded trading webinars. Okay, the registration is easy. You will always have the possibility to join Elite Currency Traders Club. Okay, and here, guys, on this web address, you will also see possibilities of joining Elite Currency and be a member of Traders Club loyalty program, guys. So everything is written here. You will see discounts, huge discounts on SWOT, Chris system, or my Camarilla MACD. And if you're a member, for everything extra, you will receive, of course, discounts. If you purchase one of these systems, every update will be free. So for full Camarilla MACD course, everything that I do with Camarilla will be freely updated. If you purchase a module, then if I make an update to that module, you will, of course, have that module also for free, free update, like I will do for the MTF. And these are modules. Camarilla MACD Lite, this is Scalp Swing, this is Scalping module, this is Counter Trend, this is free Camarilla Breakout, this is Trend, or so-called MTF. CTE is MTF, guys, remember. So this is my core method of trading, CTE or MTF, and these lights. Everything else is add-ons. I personally trade CTE, that is actually MTF, and this Camarilla MACD Light, CML. So those are my primary tools. These are just add-ons. If you want to be even more active, like making 10 different trades per day, then you can go with scalp swing, scalping. But as you know, these are my primary methods. So just go here, guys, Elite Currency Traders Club loyalty program. And if you click there, you will actually see the benefits of being actually being our member, trading with us. You will see everything. And here, guys, you can also see market.com. They fully now support us. And with only 100 euros, you can make a deposit there, trade with them, and be actually our live member. You will receive this for free, 1 month for free. Okay, so just go there and apply. And basically, I will just show you quick glimpse of my trading methods now, what I do and how I make those trades, why I trade these systems. I don't want to just talk about this. I really want you to show live. But in order for me to show you live, you really need to be present on my live webinars and Telegram channel. Having a Telegram on your PC and mobile phone is crucial, guys, because whenever we send a message, you will get notified. So if you're not close to your PC, then you need to have it, guys, on your mobile phone. And having it on mobile phone is great because a lot of times, for example, what happened? I go out I just moved from my PC, and let's say that I'm out doing a 10-kilometer run. Believe me, guys, I'm so dedicated to this business. And very often I send you trade management during my 10-kilometer run. It means that I'm always checking what the price do if I have a trade, and if I see that the price should be protected. Let's say we are 30 pips or 20, 30 pips in profit. If I see that it should be protected even during my training workout, I send you the message. So it's crucial that you have Telegram installed on your mobile phone, because I and Chris will not let you down, guys. If we give you a trade, we will also tell you what you should do with trade. Very often, we protect trades. So after we make 20, 30 pips, we tell you, okay, guys, now it's time to protect your profits. Okay? It's time to protect your profits. So you scale out, you close the half of your trade and put the rest to break even +1. For example, guys, we had a great dollar CAD trade, and this is solely traded on 4-hour time frame. I will just use the opportunity to show you how we traded dollar CAD. So Camarilla MACD Light consists of these black arrows that give you a higher time frame, like daily trend, and you just take entries from T1 or T2 if you, of course, respect the rules. The rules are described into Camarilla MACD Light module, so I will not now go with rules. I will just tell you how you manage your trade. So let's say that we made an entry here that we actually did. Actually, the trade was made yesterday. It was announced live on Telegram channel. So this was approximate price for entry in between 28, 70, and 60. What happened? The price went down. It didn't hit our stop loss, and the price went 100 pips towards our target. The main thing here, guys, is everything that you do with the logic. For me, the logic is Camarilla, and I will always be faithful to Camarillas. They have never let me down, and everything is included into the course in video materials, so you can always check my videos, and there you will see the explanation how I trade, why I trade Camarillas, and how you manage these weekly and monthly levels. For example, I did a video today with traders on Elite Currency Live, and I explained why I take long trades here, why I don't take long trades here, and so on. So it's all connected to Camarillas. Once we are in a trade, let's say if the trade goes toward our profit target, we manage the stop loss manually. So initially stop loss was here, price goes in our favor, we just, let's say, scale out, we take 30 pips of profit, and we just move the rest of trade like stop loss to break even +1. That means that we are securing a free ride. Believe me, guys, your success in Forex trading will depend on your psychology. It's us who give you the best tools. Chris and I will always give you the best tools. Camarilla MACD, SWOT. But it's not enough. You need to follow us, to follow our recommendations, to follow our risk management. And you need to be psychologically stable. As I explained, it's okay. I have one trade running. I made this specifically for this webinar. I didn't announce this on Telegram. Just I wanted to show you on this webinar. Even the price is going, you see, I made a trade with 1.50 lots. But what if I make 15 lots trade? Easily I can lose everything that I made. So it's up to your psychological performance. Trading is trading. You are trading the risk, guys. Forget about everything else. You're trading the risk. For successfully trading the risk, you need to have a good system. You need to have a good proven method. And that is why we provide you with good trading method and with a good trading system. Okay, that is very important, guys. Without it, you will be doomed to failure. And there is no holy grail systems, guys. This is the best you can do. Because if I knew that there was something better, I would trade it. But it never failed me so far in my trading career. So SWOT, Camarilla MACD, those are methods that you trade. But you trade the risk. It's all about the risk. Don't forget it. There will no be successful method if your risk is way too big, or if you are taking too much leverage with one position. It's not good, guys. So this is Camarilla MACD Light, and this is our MTF that soon will be revamped to MTF V2 version 2, and you will receive these signals if you apply for Elite Currency membership. You will always receive signals from Camarilla MACD MTF and Light. If you want to trade this, as I do, on yourself, you can always purchase it, and then you can follow my trade recommendations, and actually you will see the signals, and you will actually see the logic why I took a trade here and there. So guys, please go to these links that I sent you. It's important for you to understand the point of all this, and everything is easily explained here. Okay, so if you
if you apply for an account, let's say Markets.com, you will get a free month of Elite Currency Live and 25% discount on any of systems, including Camarilla MACD. Guys, 25%, it's not, you know, it's okay discount. I think that it's a great discount. And also, depending on what you do, you will always have some freebies. Okay, a lot of traders ask me to send them my Camarilla indicator, but I said I can only send it to traders who actually are a part of our Elite Currency Traders Club. I cannot, unfortunately, I cannot send it to anyone else except for traders who are loyal to us. And it's normal because I'm always a loyal friend. But I want also loyalty from my friends. And all of you guys are my friends. And for friends, I also want the best. That is my nature. Okay, my nature is always to remain loyal to people who actually respect what I do and who actually respect the basics of trading. And it's mutual respect. Without respect, guys, we are no one. We are not human beings. And loyalty is something that is maybe long forgotten thing, unfortunately, in 21st century, but it will always be a part of our human nature, loyalty. Okay. Sean is asking, what about the US people? We cannot open an account in Europe. Sean, the thing is, we are searching for the US account, for US brokers that are willing to make a partnership with us. We had few suggestions, but we didn't like it. Basically, we need to check the background. We need to check regulations. Only then we can actually tell you, okay, guys, it's good to go with these people. So it's very important that we are to know that we are searching for traders who, for brokers who will offer our services to US traders. Okay. Okay, so I will write it down. And your question, just give me a few seconds. We also find US brokers. Yes, and we are actually searching for it, guys. So, yes, Sean, as soon as we do it for Canadian traders, US traders, well, guys, you will be first to know. Don't worry. We are thinking about everyone. And, okay, so at this point, this is the only possibility to go with free month of ECS Live. If you are in US or Canada, guys, then the only thing is at this point, okay, you can pay by PayPal or Skrill, whatever, and it's still not a big price because, guys, believe me, with our signals, you will easily make up for this investment. It's like 1-2 trades, even with minimum accounts, are basically making up for this because our success ratio is big. It's big. You can always check it here. We write not only winners, but we also write losses. So everything is written in the document, guys. Everything here. And now we are always improving our entry points that we give to our traders. But the main thing is we are not losing traders. We are winning traders. So even for you who like to gamble a little bit in this Forex market, you know, it's you will still be on the edge, on a positive edge, because our win-to-loss ratio is much, much bigger. We are having much more winners than losses. Okay. So if you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. If anything is not clear, I will always answer your questions. Just ask me, and I will try to actually I will try to explain anything that is not clear. Yeah, I see some. Can you pin a link here? Where can I see your performance? My personal performance, Tomasz. Yes, I will just give you the link. Yes. Just give me a few seconds. Yes, this one. Okay, I need to make a link. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, so okay, anyone with this link can view, of course. This is it. I found it. I found it, and just wait, guys. Just give me a few seconds. This is the link, the performance. Yes. So just go ahead on this GDoc. You can view, and this is the performance. But you know, guys, it's always how big risk you want to take, how often you take entries. Do you want a professional account, like a big account? Do you want retail, smaller account? You know, I like to trade with both. I don't have problem with trading millions. This is okay. 100K is okay. Also 5K is okay, because guys, you know, not every trader has money to invest in trading. Because of that, as you know, I'm also trading these small accounts like this one to give traders a proof that you can deposit 200 and you can still make double in some couple of days if you follow the rules. So it's up to you how you will manage it. Okay, Morshin is saying, I have opened an account with markets.com. Will fund via PayPal. I am from Pakistan. Telegram doesn't work here. Okay, I think I might have a solution here. Okay, wait. If you don't, okay, you can always circumvent it. Okay, watch me here. Okay, go to Google and type VPN. Okay, 10 VPN. What is, you need a VPN in order to access Telegram. If your country doesn't allow it, it's not good. It's not democracy. So you need to, you know, you just need to open a VPN, and you know, when you have a free VPNs, when you actually access Telegram with the VPN, I think you should not have any problems with accessing it from Pakistan. So just go to VPN, download one of VPNs, and you will have the access. In Belgium, we cannot open an account with markets.com. Okay, please send me an email. Please, now, guys, I will write down the email. Okay, every problem, guys, every problem you have, just right here. Okay, this is our email. Vagel. Please send me an email to info@elitecurrency.com that you cannot open in Belgium the account, and we will see what we can do. Every problem you have, guys, just write us an email. Okay, please do. We will be very glad to help you out. I mean, even if it's the case, we will find another solution. Just please send us an email stating your problem. Alan is asking, during the 1 month free trial, if you become a club member during this time, do we get a Camarilla indicator to keep? Yes, Alan. If you become a full-fledged member, you will get a free Camarilla MACD indicator. You just need to send me a request, and yes, of course, I will give you my Camarilla MT4 or MT5 indicator, the one that I use for free. But you need to actually be a full-fledged member of Elite Currency. That is, guys, what I call loyalty. You see, now this entry was also good, although I expected a bit of retracement maybe, but you see how Camarilla MACD Lite performs here. And this is just entry, guys. For all of you, it hasn't been announced on Telegram, but I wanted to show you on live account, maybe a riskier trade, but again, I have a bigger account, so I could have afforded like 100 pips maybe of stop loss. But yet again, usually stop losses are 30, 40 pips. Even with 4-hour trading, you will see very often 30, 40 pips stop loss. It's unique, right? It's very, very unique. Okay, guys. So if you have any other questions, guys, do not hesitate to ask me. Kaz is asking, just joined. Is this video recorded and where can I access it? Cheers. Yes, send me an email, please, Kaz. Please send me an email and I will send you the link. As you can see, the email is info@elitecurrency.com. So just send me an email after this. Okay. And okay. So yeah, you see email and just request it. Okay. Let me copy your email address. We also have, guys, people who work with us together in a team. So I will just write it down. We are all team here, team players in elitecurrency.com. Okay. So yeah, I wrote it down. So you see, guys, these are projects that we are working on. And as I say, loyalty always means loyalty. If you're loyal to us, believe me, guys, we will be 10 times more loyal to you. That is, that is also maybe the nature. So check these pages, check everything that I sent you the link for, and you will actually see it live. No blah, blah, no snake oil. Everything is clear. Performance, guys, is clear. Forex Peace Army reviews. Our performance is always shown here. And of course, even my FX book account, I don't hide it. Maybe due to these GDPR rules, and I will not be allowed to show it all the time, but yeah, I might actually use it for at least once to twice per month. Yeah, why not? Also, this is now what we will do. We will upload it on YouTube, and everyone will be able to watch this video. Okay, guys. So, yeah, this is it. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to comment, whatever, guys. We are faithful to our methods, our systems, and to you guys. And it will always be that case because this is who we are. This is what we do. Thank you for listening, guys. I wish you a great trading day, great trading week, and enjoy all the benefits, guys, that you can make with being a part of our trading community that is expanding. And it will expand. Believe me, guys, it will expand even more because we will not stop. Thank you. Love you all, guys, and talk to you soon. Cheers, guys. And as always, trade safe.